This is not a traditional ice cream shop. It is designed to feel like a destination. Sloan's Ice Cream is a family-focused dessert brand built around experience, not just product. The concept combines ice cream, candy, chocolates, toys, and visual storytelling. Everything is colorful, playful, and intentionally over the top. The goal is to create a modern version of a sweet Wonderland that appeals to both kids and adults. The brand started in 1999 in West Palm Beach, Florida. It began as a single, iconic store that attracted attention well beyond its local market. As demand grew, the company transitioned into franchising. Today, there are 10 locations open and several more in development across Florida and other U.S. markets. Sloan's operates in compact, high-traffic retail spaces. Typical stores range from roughly 1,200 to 1,400 square feet. The smaller footprint allows placement in premium locations where visibility and foot traffic matter most. The store design and branding do the heavy lifting when it comes to customer attraction. The total investment typically ranges from $600,000 to $900,000. Most recent locations fall near the midpoint of that range. This includes build-out, inventory, and a multi-week training program in West Palm Beach. Franchisees are trained for 3 to 4 weeks to understand operations, staffing, and brand execution. Support is positioned as a core value of the franchise. The brand brings over 2 decades of operating experience. Franchisees are guided through site selection, hiring, training, and day-to-day operations. The model is designed for owners who want structure and guidance while still running their own business. The ideal operator is hands-on. This is not a passive investment model. Sloan's looks for professionals who have been successful in their careers and want a more personal, legacy-driven business. Owner involvement is seen as a key driver of performance and long-term growth. Single-unit ownership can evolve into multi-unit expansion over time. From a positioning standpoint, Sloan's sites at the intersection of dessert, retail, and experience-based entertainment. It performs especially well in warm weather and tourist-driven markets. The brand is now testing adaptations for colder climates while maintaining its core identity. The bigger takeaway is simple. Sloan's is not selling ice cream alone. It is selling emotion, nostalgia, and repeat family experiences. For the right operator, the brand offers a structured path into experiential retail with strong visual appeal and expansion potential.